Hello, dear fashion bosses. How are you doing? All right. So, if you know you want a tutorial video on this trending layered pleated turban, it is extremely trending right now. Like, it is the latest turban style in town right now. If you know you want a tutorial video on it, an explicit tutorial video on it, a very clear tutorial video on it, just like what you are seeing on this short video, kindly drop a yes on the comment section right now. Like this video, share it. If you are not subscribed, subscribe now and tap on the notification bell so you get notified the moment this video is dropped. Subscribe. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you like it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you share it. It is only on this basis that I will drop this video for you. So go ahead right now and share this short video, like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. The tutorial video is actually ready, but I need to be sure that you are actually ready for it. So go ahead right now to let me know that you are ready for this video by subscribing and liking and sharing this video. Okay? All right. So see you guys in the main tutorial of this video. Bye for now as you await the main tutorial. Only if you subscribe, like, and share.